Okay, now I'm on page 224 in the Go Math textbook, still doing the Chapter 5 test review. Okay, let's get to it. James and Sarah went out to lunch. The price of lunch for both of them was $20. They tipped their server 20% of that amount. How much did each person pay if they shared the price of the lunch and the tip equally? So first thing we need to do is find the total amount of the bill. So first we need to find 20% of 20, and I would change this to a decimal, 0.20 times 20. Now this answer is going to show you their tip. So you have to take the tip plus the original $20, and that's going to give you the total. Once you have the total, you have to take the total and divide it by 2 because it says they shared the price of the lunch and the tip equally. So you divide it by 2, and then this will be your final answer. Okay, so you're going to get this answer, the first answer, doing this math. The second part of it is going to be doing this math, whatever you got for this first answer, plus $20, the amount that they spent on the lunch. That's going to give you the second part. And you're going to take that second part, that second answer you got, and divide that by 2 because there's 2 of them, and this will be your final answer. All right, I'm going to erase my work. You never erase your work, though. If you need to, rewind the video, pause the video where you need to. I'm going to let you finish up 13. A sandwich shop has 30 stores and 60% of the stores in California. The rest of the stores are in Nevada. How many stores are in California and how many are in Nevada? Okay, so 30 stores, 60% of them are in California. So we're trying to find 60% of 30. I change it to a decimal, move my decimal over twice. So 0.60 times 30. This answer is going to tell me how many are in California. And then I take this answer, this first answer I get, and I take 30 minus that first answer. And that's going to tell me my second answer, which is how many stores are in Nevada. So then you'll have answered both parts. So this first answer tells you how many stores are in California, and the second answer tells you how many stores are in Nevada. Okay, again, I'm going to let you do the math, but if you have additional questions, don't hesitate to ask. Rewind the video, pause the video where you need to, and work the problems out. Okay, I'm erasing my work. You never do so. Okay, the shop opens 10 new stores. Some are in California and some are in Nevada. Complete the table. So we know 45% of the stores are in Nevada, so that means the remaining 55% are in California. There were 30 stores. They added 10 more, so now we have 40 total stores. And so we need to find 55% of 40. And 45% of 40. Okay, this is going to tell you how many stores are in California, and this is going to tell you how many stores are in Nevada. So again, same math, same setup. You can rewind your video to see how we find 55% of a number or 45% of a number. Again, my favorite way is to change it to a decimal. So 0.55 times 40. That's going to give me the number of stores in California. And then you do the same thing. You move your decimal over twice and multiply to find the number of stores in Nevada as well. I'm going to let you finish up the math. Again, if you need to rewind, don't hesitate to do so. I'm erasing my work. You never do. Number 15, Juanita saved 35% of the money she needs to buy a new bicycle. If she saves $63, how much money does the bicycle cost? Use numbers and words to explain your answer. So we need to, now we've switched to what we were doing, I believe it was yesterday. Oops, sorry about that. Now we need to see $63 is 35% of what? So now we do that setup that we were doing yesterday, where we change the percent to a ratio. And this time, the $63 is the part. It's not the whole. So it goes on top. Okay. We can simplify here. Okay, 5 can go into both 35 and 100. You may be able to simplify again after that. But this is how you set this problem up, okay, to find the total. All right, I'll let you do the math on this, but again, if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to raise your hand. Okay, this is the setup. Now you just take it home. All right, thanks again. I'll see you on the next one.